Hey everyone, want to use Photoshop for free on your Mac? In this video, I'll show you how to do it, completely legally, without downloading anything, and it works on both Mac and Windows. Let's jump right in. First, open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but Safari, Firefox, or any browser will work just fine. Next, go to photopea.com. Just type that into your address bar and hit enter. Once the site loads, click Start using Photopea. Photopea is an advanced online photo editor that looks and feels just like Adobe Photoshop. It supports PSD files and many other formats. To open a file, click Open from Computer, or to start fresh, click New Project. Let's do that. I'll choose New Project, and now I can set the size, name, and background. There are also presets like YouTube cover in which I'll select, then click Create. Boom! You've got a blank canvas just like in Photoshop. On the left you'll see familiar tools, Move Tool, Brush Tool, Eraser, and more. Across the top you've got menus like File, Edit, Image, and everything else you'd expect. Now, is this legal? 100%. Photopea was built from the ground up by independent developers. It's not owned by Adobe, and it's completely legit. It's free to use thanks to ad support. You might see a few ads on the right side. They're not intrusive. But if you prefer an ad-free experience, you can use a browser like Brave, or install an ad blocker. And that's it. You now have access to a Photoshop-like experience right in your browser. No installs, no payments, totally free. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.